Today we'll talk about how can you log out of your account on your BodyFast app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me down here. When you just click here on me here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then just click here on notification. So you go down, sorry, just keep going down here. So then here you will find logout. You just click on it here. Then here automatically here it's going to take you out of your account on your BodyFast app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.